I'm going to explain temperature in drying incense. It is very important for temperature control in your incense drying, because if it is too cold, then your incense fragrance will become syrupy and it will not dry. It will cling on to your product. If it is too hot, then the incense will become liquidated, and what'll happen on your pulp, your fragrance will run off. So what you need is room temperature between 64 and 70 degrees in order to have a good temperature in order for your incense to dry. It's very important that you have ventilation, so if the air is moving, that your incense will dry. And on behalf of Expert Village, this is drying incense, pulp, wood, and charcoal.